All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is a case of Mr. Daniels.
Okay. You all may be seated. Mr. Daniels.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yeah, I brought my case because I'm trying to file child support on myself to make sure that my child is getting the benefits that it needs, because the mother doesn't seem to be taking care of the responsibilities.
I mean, obviously not. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court today.
The audacity to even show up today. Welcome to Truth Court, and buckle up because this one's got more twist than a daytime soap. Today, we got a rare move. A father putting himself on child support. That's right. No dodging, no finger pointing, just stepping up at least on the surface, but don't hand out gold stars just yet. This case dives headfirst into accusations of being a deadbeat, a missing mother who couldn't even bother to show up, and a love story that crashed and burned. Mr. Daniels says he wanted to marry her, but instead of vows, she chose the streets. Oof, that's not just personal, that's nuclear. Now, while he plays third string in the Arena Football League, he's hoping to play first string in his son's life, if the court allows it. But is he a genuine dad stepping up, or just a smooth talker trying to dodge consequences? Stick around. We've got receipts, awkward flirtation, and a judge who's not playing games.
And I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay. It's very different when people come in, and well, guys in particular come in to put themselves on child support. Like, what's the backstory between you and mom? Have y'all ever been married?
I tried to get married. I tried to do everything right.
Okay.
She chose to be out in the streets, so I'm just trying to.
What do you mean by chose to be out in the streets?
Chose to be being somewhere other than the house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
She party a lot, do all those things?
Well, I don't know where she's at, so I don't know what she does.
Do you communicate with her at all?
When it comes to money.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why.
You have a son or a daughter?
I have a son.
Do you get to see your son?
On the weekends, but it's rare. We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
Okay, so you do understand how child support works, right? It's based on a calculation based on the amount of money that you make.
I'm third string, so I don't make that much.
What does that mean, you're third string?
I'm not making a lot of money right now in the Arena Football League that I play in, so I'm just...
Let's pause here for a second, because not showing up for court when someone is trying to take legal responsibility for their child that speaks volumes, whether you're the custodial parent or not ignoring a court summon, never looks good. And in family court, it's often seen as a lack of interest or accountability. So already the scales are tipping. What would you think if the roles were reversed? Would a no-show dad get the same benefit of the doubt?
I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because I have to take care of myself as well.
Okay. So it's based on the calculation. So whatever amount of money that you make, that's what your child support is going to be set at. No matter if you were third string, first string, second string, I don't know how many strings it go up to. It's based on your calculation. Okay. So how much money do you make a year?
Around 67.
Okay. And you only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So 67,000. Well, let me ask you this. Who pays health insurance?
I pay it.
Okay. How much is your health insurance?
Around 120.
120. Okay. And let me see. You turned in some documents here. Looks like your health insurance is actually 130. Okay. 130. You're shorting yourself $10 because the health insurance.
Now here's where it gets tricky. Mr. Daniels wants to provide, but he's on a budget. Third string in the Arena Football League doesn't exactly come with NFL paychecks. It's a real-world dilemma. How do you support child when your own finances are barely holding together? But here's the thing. The court doesn't care if you're catching touchdowns or catching bills. Child support is based on what you actually earn, while his heart might be in the right place. The law only cares about the math.
I mean, she's not here, obviously, to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance. Okay. So, based on that, giving you credit for the health insurance, your gross comes out to $5,470. Your net of that after taxes come out is $4,357.28. for a child support amount of $871.46. Okay?
Okay.
You have any other questions about that?
Are you single?
And boom, a moment of honesty that could have cost him. When Judge Vonda B spots a $10 underestimation on his health insurance, it might seem like no big deal, but in court, precision is everything. Every dollar, every deduction, every line item matters. This wasn't just paperwork. It was a test of credibility. Fortunately for him, this slip worked in his favor, but not every mistake gets that lucky.
Well, no.
Okay,
But I don't think that has anything to do with why you're here.
Oh, well, I don't have a good baby mother.
So you want to make me a baby mama?
Oh, no, he didn't. Did Mr. Daniels just try to flirt with the judge? That right there is the courtroom equivalent of texting your ex in the middle of a job interview. Wrong time, wrong place, and completely off the rails. That IT was bold. It was awkward. And Judge Vonda? She didn't flinch. Hit him with a savage clap back. I'm available for my next case. Let that be a lesson. Family court isn't a dating app. Flirtation here? It's not just cringy. It's a fast track to losing credibility.
Telling me?
No, I wasn't trying to make you a baby mother. I was just seeing if you were available to help.
Well, I'm available for my next case. So if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
And that's a wrap on Support Court with Judge Vonda B. But this case leaves plenty to unpack. A father stepping up while the mother is nowhere in sight. A support payment calculated down to the decimal. And a bold move that might just set a new standard. Filing yourself for child support to avoid back pay nightmares. Judge Vonda sealed it with a powerful truth. Being proactive beats being punished later. So what do you think? Was Mr. Daniels truly trying to do the right thing? Or was this just a well-timed PR stunt in a courtroom suit? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this case had your jaw on the floor, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss the next wild ride on Truth Court, where we break down the drama so you don't have to.
Hi guys, it's Vonda Bailey, and I'm coming to you as the lawyer this time. We have arrived at the educational portion of our show. I just wanted to go over what this segment would cover and how the different scenarios interact with child support under Texas law. I want to go over what you all watched in the episode of the Daniels case. So the interesting thing about his case, he placed himself on child support. He actually petitioned to the court to put him on child support. That's very unique because you don't see that very often, but you are able to do that on your own. If you want to put yourself on child support, you are more than welcome to do so. Actually, I would recommend that you do it because then you don't have to worry about getting hit with back pay later on because you never paid child support for your child from the beginning. So, teachable moment for you guys. If you can do it, put yourself on child support. Do you know of anyone who's experienced a similar situation? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure you comment below. You never know, their story may end up as a scenario on our show. After all, these kids aren't raised on air alone. Support Court with Judge